Let's talk about common homophones in English. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and may or may not have different spellings. Number 1, break and break. This break can be a noun or a verb, and it refers to, as a verb, to stop, like to brake when you're in your car, or the brakes if we're talking about a noun, and those are the things on a bike or a car that stop you. This break is also used as a noun and a verb. It can be used to talk about, breaking something, like I broke a bone, or to take a vacation, like I had a break from school, or when you violate a law, I broke the law. Number 2, waste and waste. This waste can be used as a noun, a verb, or an adjective. It can mean to use something carelessly. Don't waste food, it's bad. Or something that is not wanted or needed anymore. Put the yard waste in the compost. And this waste is a noun, and it refers to the middle of your body, like the waist of your pants or your trousers or your jeans. And number 3, whole versus whole. Now, this whole can be used as an adjective, a noun, or an adverb, but I think we use it most as an adjective to mean all of something. I ate the whole candy bar. I ate the whole thing. It's gone. And this whole is a noun, and we could say this pencil sharpener has 2 holes, or I have a hole in my sock. Always annoying when you have a hole in your sock. Can you think of any other homophones in English? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.